Power BI plays a crucial role in analyzing and visualizing customer feedback efficiently. With its interactive dashboards and dynamic filtering capabilities, businesses can track customer satisfaction, monitor trends, and identify areas for improvement in real time. By leveraging Power BI's advanced visualization tools, companies can transform raw feedback data into meaningful insights, helping them make data-driven decisions that enhance customer experience and drive business growth. Infographic charts play a crucial role in representing customer feedback effectively. The thumbs-up infographic categorizes customer sentiments into satisfied, neutral, and unsatisfied groups, making it easy to gauge overall service performance at a glance. The star-based rating system visually highlights customer ratings, helping businesses understand the distribution of positive experiences. Similarly, the smiley face indicator shows customers' willingness to recommend the service to others, offering a quick and clear view of brand loyalty. By using these visual elements, businesses can quickly identify trends, measure customer engagement, and implement necessary improvements to enhance overall satisfaction. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.